in here. Good morning. Good morning. Ah, the baby sleeping in the swing. Good morning. Hi. You go give a good morning, George? The baby. I want to Shorty. You give a good morning kisses. Kiss her good morning. Hi, darlings. Good morning. Look at those fluffing chops. It's no wonder you love her, Mango. She's so beautiful in the morning. Yes, she is so pretty. Oh, give me scratches. Give me scratches. Thank you. And says, I love you, baby girl. Hi, little darlings. Did y'all sleep good last night? Oh, did you sleep good? Did you get lots of rest? Yeah? Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby girl. Good morning. Hello. Hi there. Good morning. Hi, bud. Oh, I got a toy.
Move that toy. The one hanging down with the sponges.
I got a twitch my wing.
Keep it going. Get the bottom of it over the perch. There we go. There we go.
He moved.
I know he did. He's right back behind it.
Good morning. Hi, little guys.
Oh.
Don't hit the boy. Don't be tweet. You better be tweet. I'm going to chew on that teeth. Good morning. How we doing? Good morning. Hi, buddies. You ready for a new day? Yeah. You ready for a brand new day? Yeah. It's going to be a good day. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Him singing to his baby girl. Yes, you is. Him singing songs to his baby girl. Say, hi, baby cakes. I love you. Yeah, oh. Him loves his baby cakes. Mango Man singing to his girl. I sing to my girl. You ready to get out? Oh, you ready to get out this cage? So you've been in here all night long. Yeah, I've been in here all night long. There we go. Now, who's going to be the first one out this morning?
Mango.
You think Mango's going to be out first? Hi, guys. Hello.
Mango's always the first one out in the morning.
Hi, baby girl. Hi. Hi, dear. Hi, sweet baby. Good morning. Hi, dear. What you thinking about? Huh? Hi, dear. There we go. We're up and at 'em.